what's up guys, Clinton here. Today we are coming to 11th here from Mariba Junction along KISII Kilgoris Road. Actually I'm coming from Ogembo this direction and we are heading for an adventure. I'm actually going to do an hike in Nyakwana Waterfalls and I'm going to take you along. I'm here with my friend who is also a YouTuber and we are going to film the videos right there. Yeah, hapo hivyo. Hapo Mbaji cliff ni ngapi hapa hapa Nyakwana hapa tu? Nyakwana wapi hapa? Hii waterfall. Waterfall 200. Ah, hapo uko umeenda mbali sana. Si tuko wawili. Si 70. Unafika wapi? Si tuko hapo Nyakwana. Unatoka kwa barabara tu hapo. Kuna hii kichai, majani chai iko hapo. Najua hiyo route nishaenda huko. Hapana. Si unatoka tu kwa barabara hapo. Si kuna miti alafu waterfall iko huko chini. Sasa ni hapo kwa barabara tu hapo kwenye majani chai. Twende tu. Iko sawa. Acha twende. Haya utaidandia tukienda. Guys, we wanna go for an adventure in Nyakwana. I was planning to do this and today we are here. We are heading to see how it looks like. Na tunafanya YouTube usishangae. I am telling my friend that you are doing YouTube. That will not be surprised. Adventure and we are on the way to go. Yes. Yeah. Hello guys, Clinton here. We are finally at Nyakwana Waterfall. Is just down here. This is my good friend Thompson. Discoveries on YouTube, and I want to also give him a chance to introduce himself as we film this video. So stick around and let's dive into this video. Let's go, guys. Yes. So I don't know, bro. You can also introduce yourself on my YouTube channel. No problem. You can still film there as we introduce here.
Hello, what's up, my good people? Tom here, ready for today's discoveries. Today I'm privileged to meet my brother here. He was in Ogembo.
I went to do some good work.
I was planning to go there in Ogembo, but due to some reasons,
it could not manage to travel there because I had my time was scheduled. I didn't have a lot of time there, so I just went there for 2 days, I can say. And right now we're heading back to the village in the countryside, but we have to go through KISII town after this video. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive into this and consider to subscribe to Thompson.
Subscribe also to It's Clinton
and Thompson Discoveries.
Yes.
Let's go, guys. We show you Nyakwana Waterfall, how it looks like. I remember the other time I used to walk down this way. Yes. All right. So
my guys, the waterfall is down here, so we are trying to catch up with it.
It's here. So guys, we are walking down. Let's walk down to Nyakwana Waterfall. Honestly speaking, it is not my first time to visit this waterfall. This is my second time. And I said because I'm in KISII, guys, I always love adventures like this, going to the waterfall, seeing how the water is thundering from up the cliff. Let's go, guys, let's go. This is my friend Thompson Discoveries right there. We are heading to the waterfall. And he always do videos about Q&A. So I don't know, Tom, can you find someone here to interview? Or you'll only find water? Yeah. Yes. Guys, let's go down to Nyakwana to see what it has to offer for us. Yeah. Wow. There's like a bridge over there, and it's very risky. Hey. Guys, you can imagine, that one is a bridge. People are not like... oh my God, this can be very, very risky.
A lot of water.
Yeah, look at that water, guys. That is a lot of water over there. I don't know. Let me try to. You know, here, this is not even the waterfall.
Yeah.
There is nothing here.
Yeah.
You will see the real waterfall. Yes. Guys, this is the mighty Gucha River. This is Gucha River passing through. It goes through so many towns. For example, it goes through Kegati. It comes from actually River Gucha has got its source in Kiabonyori Islands in Nyamira, but it's joined by other tributaries, so it's not only from Kiabonyori in Nyamira. So it goes through Kegati town, before KISII town, it goes through Ogembo, through Migori. Guys, you can imagine the same water you see here will end up in Lake Victoria. This is actually a source of Lake Victoria. These rivers here make up Lake Victoria, the way you can see. Oh my God, I always feel very, very energized anytime I come to places like this to explore, to film, and you know, do an adventure. It is always amazing. Look. Wow. We can also try to take some pictures here.
Yeah.
Wow, let me try to do one. Wow, look at that. So we are touring, and also I'm working on time because I'll be heading back to KISII again to run a few errands. So here I'm just passing by. But I hope, Tom, I hope you have seen the road to this place. Anytime you want to visit this place, you know the road. But also you can go to Ogembo town and say, I want to come to Nyakwana. They'll bring you all the way here. And looks like there is sand there, right? That is sand over there.
Yeah.
It is collecting.
Yeah.
Guys, there's some sand over there.
And it looks like this is not really much water compared to when it rains.
It rains. Actually, there's a lot of water. There's no water right now. It usually reaches until maybe around here, somewhere around here. But this is where now the crazy part of this waterfall is. You know, the last time I took a picture inside down there. We are gonna show you. It's crazy. Guys, this is not. Now this is the real waterfall. Yes. And there's a water up there. You can drink clean water. Guys, look at this. This is crazy. Look. I think down there I can see there. That place is very deep. The way you see water is calm.
Yeah.
It is very deep. Yes. Wow. Look at that. If you go there, you are just like that, you are gone. No, I'm telling you, I'm saying, if you go down there,
You are gone.
just like that. Guys, I have one of my favorite. Do you see the picture at Cyber? I took it from down here. The picture in the Cyber that I printed at home. You can see that. Yes, you can take. Oh my God! Look at that, guys. Look at that. Guys, that is the beauty of Nyakwana Waterfalls. Actually, there is fish down here.
Fish.
Yeah, there is fish. You can come and see. If you can see,
Hey.
they are trying to come up the stream. Guys, you can see there is fish here. Let me try to zoom in for you to see. You can see the fish right there. That's how they migrate to the upstream. Now let's go, guys, explore the places and see how it looks like. Yes, now we want to go and show you the other side of the waterfall. Wow, guys, you can hear the water thundering down like a thunderstorm. It is amazing. It's amazing, 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 guys. So we want to go down there to the close to the waterfall and see how it looks like. And there's bees, guys. There are bees right behind me. There are bees there. You can just come, no problem. Yes. Oh my God, look. Even today there's no water here. To be honest, there's no water here. You know what?
Yeah.
The last time I was here,
Yeah.
the water was here in this rock.
And now,
You can see there is no water. It's very low.
actually this guy is trying to do this, no water. As you can see, there's a lot of water.
There's a lot of water, guys. You can see.
So I think he's trying to what to do.
Yeah, guys. This is very risky. You can see. When I see this, maybe I think someone has died somewhere. Look, this cloth. Oh my God, look at that.
Hey.
You know, the last time I was here, the water was reaching here. Oh my God. Let's go. You don't have to be very careful. You have to confirm first.
Yeah.
You see where the water is calm, things are not good there. It might be very deep. Wow. Look at that. This is something else, man. This is something else. Look. Huh? Wow. So guys, I also want to show you this other side. So we can go until there and then we wind up.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, you want to walk to the other side and then you can call it a day from here. Look. Wow. So you see where the water is calm like this, you don't want to joke with such a place. Things might get, you know, things might go the other way. Yes, you don't want to joke with such places. Yes. Look at this tree. Look at this tree. I remember I once did a short, beautiful clip from here. Yes.
I can hear the smell of fish.
Yeah, there is fish. A lot of fish. People do fishing here. Actually, what are some of the major economic activities here in this river? There is fishing. I think there is sand harvesting. There is agriculture. People use this water to irrigate their farms maybe during the drought. And also there is what do we call it? What do we call it? You know, you can do laundry in the river. You can take shower or take bath in the river. There is river bath. Guys, if we could have time, we could be able to swim on the other side where the water is low. It is always very good during low season. But now you don't want to joke with here. It's risky. Yes. Another time we'll visit and we'll do swimming on the other side. Over there it's very good. Over there. Going down. But here you can't. Here you can't play around. Yes. Wow. So we can walk even to the other end and then we call it a day. And I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. The only thing is I'm trying to chase time and then go back to KISII town to run a few errands over there. But I'm not far from KISII. I'm very close to KISII. Yes. So there's a shop that I'm supposed to go and get my CPU from. Guys, you remember when I was traveling to Ogembo, I was carrying a CPU. If you can go and back and visit my videos. So I'll be going back to KISII to pick it and then I'll be traveling to the countryside. Yes. So that is Nyakwana, guys, right there. Very beautiful, amazing. Wow, I love this place. This place is on another level. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Now here, going the other side, you can be able to swim over there. But now going up there, you can't. And also down there, people swim somewhere down there.
But I think you can swim here.
Yes, here it's over here. There's no problem because the water level is low. Yes. So here people can swim. Even going, I think, down there. But going up there, you don't want to joke with that place. Even it looks just looks very dangerous. Yes.
You can hear the sound of that.
Yeah, you can hear the thunder. You know, it's like a thunder. Yes.
And up there, I can see
There are bees.
yeah.
Okay, they get water here. They are plants with fruits or flowers, so they get the nectar from here. Yes, guys. I don't know if you have anything else to add on, Thomas. Guys, you can subscribe. We are here with Thompson Discoveries. You can support him on YouTube by watching his videos. I decided that we come to this adventure together because he's a YouTuber, a fellow YouTuber, and he's also based in KISII. So I saw it good for him to come and also experience this. Because I'm coming from Ogembo. I also went there to do some good work. And I hope you guys saw the videos. Yes. Look. This is it. Guys, let's go. We want to go now and probably end our today's video. You can see the environment we are walking through is not very good. There's a lot of vegetation. You always have to be very careful because you might find snakes here and even other dangerous animals. Yes. Let's take a nice picture from here, guys. Wow. Wow, amazing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is it. This is it, guys. What else do you ask for? For me, I only ask for an adventure. I only ask for an adventure, and that is all. Nothing much. So, guys, because of the weather also, and also because of time, maybe I might love to end the video. I don't know what my friend has to say because we are ending the video here. Maybe you can be able to see the waterfall at the background.
Yeah.
Yes, so my friend,
Yeah.
maybe the last message, because I want to end, for me, I want to end the video.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you.
Yes.
It's because of you I've not played.
Yes, today I decided that I'm going to come here with my brother because I also went to Ogembo. And also, I did some amazing job there. And also, when I was coming to KISII, I said, no, I have a friend in KISII who does YouTube. And I always feel motivated to help a friend who does what I also do. So, we decided to come here. And that is why we are here. You can see the waterfall at the background. And that is all.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Probably that is it for today. We'll see you in our next video.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao, guys.